Hey, hello. Welcome back to this training. So, in this particular video, we're going to be looking at, how to install and activate the theme and the needed plugins that you will be needing for, you know, to build your landing pages. All right. So let's quickly dive right into it. Okay, let's quickly dive right into it. Let's go to our dashboard. Let's go to our WordPress dashboard that we opened the other day. I think this is it. Okay, we are in. So the first thing we want to do is we want to just add a theme. So to add your theme, just come to appearance. All right, see appearance, click on themes. Click on themes. Then after clicking on themes, the next thing you want to do is select a theme or search. The theme I want to use is not here. So you click on add new, okay? Click on add new, then search for Astra, okay? You can either use Astra, see Astra here, see Astra here. You can either use Astra or use Hello Elementor. Any of them goes, any of them works fine. Okay, any of them works fine. Let's just use Astra. Let's use Astra for this one. So click on install. Give it time to install. All right, that's installed. Then the next thing you want to do is click on activate. Click on activate. All right, it has been activated. So we now have our theme has been activated. So if I go to sell with pronouns, let me copy this stuff. Let me copy this stuff. If I go to the website itself now, you'll notice the presence of that theme. See now, the presence of the theme is what is making it look like this. So what I need to do now is you can see Astra WordPress theme here. All right, so this website is empty. There's nothing in it. I just need to start designing and putting in stuff and the land pages we want. So yeah, we've installed our theme and activated our theme. Now let's go ahead and install and activate the plugins we need. Okay, the plugins we need basically, so you want to activate plugins and install plugins, you come to plugins. Okay, you see plugins. All right, you see plugins. Click on it. It's going to bring you here. All right, the available plugins here that came automatically. These are the two available plugins that came automatically. So to add new plugins, you come here, add new. Okay, add new. Then when you click on, after clicking on add new, the first thing you want to add is install this classic editor. Install it. Classic editor. All right, installed, and click on activate to make it active on the website. All right, it has been installed and activated. You come back to add new. The next plugin we want to add to this our WordPress dashboard to help us build our landing pages is Elementor. Okay, it's called Elementor. Elementor is a website builder or a page builder. All right, so that's what we're using to build our landing pages. Now there are two kinds of Elementor. There is the Elementor and is the Elementor Pro. Elementor is free version. Okay, Elementor is the free version, while Elementor Pro is the premium version that you pay for. All right, now the Elementor, let me show you how much it costs to get the Elementor Pro, so you know what we're talking about here. The Elementor Pro is very important, actually, if you're going to be building a landing page. The Elementor Pro is actually very important. So let me show you how much it costs. Let me show you how much it costs. to get Elementor Pro. All right, now this is it. Elementor Pro costs a minimum of $49 per year. You can see it, $49 per year minimum. Okay, it gives you access to one Elementor Pro, and what have you. So but you might not need to get that. You might not need to buy the Elementor Pro at $49 because I have Elementor Pro, and I'll be willing to release it to as many as will be coming for this program. Okay, if you're going to be coming for this program, I can release it to you for free. All right, but one thing you see is one thing you will notice is for some people that already have Elementor Pro, some people actually do have Elementor Pro. One problem or one challenge they are facing right now is the Elementor Pro. There's been like a new version of Elementor Pro, and if your Elementor Pro on your website is not the new version and is not corresponding with the new version of the Elementor, okay, there is the Elementor and the Elementor Pro. So, and there are new versions of the Elementor and the Elementor Pro. So if when it comes to the Elementor, it can be updated for free because it's a free one, right? But the Elementor Pro is not the free one. So if you do not have the recent one, it's going to affect you. Like your website can go down. If you use Elementor Pro on your website, can go down. All right. Your pages can go down. Like nobody will be able to access your landing pages if you're using Elementor Pro. All right. So recently I got the latest Elementor Pro and Elementor. All right. Like I said, I'll be willing to give it to as many that are coming for this program. So how do I do? You just click on upload plugin. All right. You click on upload plugin. Click on upload. Let me start afresh. So you come to when you click on plugins, you come here, click on add new. Then you click on upload plugin. Click on choose file. Okay, so I don't want to. I'm going to show you something later, but let me go to download. Let me see. This is the new package, right? The Elementor Pro. Okay, this is it here. This is the unzipped version. I just open it. So this is the Elementor and this is the Elementor Pro. So let me upload the Elementor first. Then I click on install now. Yeah, I think it's installing. It's installing, it's loading. So let's give it some time. So it's loading. All right, it has done loading. So just click on activate plugin. All right, the plugin has been activated. You see it there, right? You see it here. Elementor. Now it's saying there's a new version of blah, 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 blah. Just leave it. Don't click on update now. Just leave it like that. Okay, it's saying go pro. We're going to add the pro version now. Click on add new. You can actually come here. Let me show you something. Search for Elementor. Okay. And you'll get it here too. It's showing update now because I already have it. You get it here today. You can just click on install now and activate. But it's better you do it the way I did it, okay? So that the Elementor you're going to be having will be the same version with the Elementor Pro that is coming. So it will not clash. It will not clash. And, if you're having a different version of Elementor and a different version of Elementor Pro that are not working together, it might not be a good thing. So the next thing is to install the Elementor Pro. So click on upload plugin, click on choose file, click on Elementor Pro, click on open, click on install now. Okay, this is install now. Yeah. So let's give it time to load too. All right, it's installing. All right, it has successfully installed. So I just click on activate plugin. All right, so the plugin has been activated. So okay, just leave everything the way it is. All right, the Elementor Pro here is the latest version. And so leave it, just leave everything like this. Then yeah, so I think we've installed the plugins we need and the thing we need. So the next thing we're supposed to be looking at, the next thing we're supposed to be looking at is come on. So this is the next thing we're supposed to be looking at. Step 4, you know how to create your page and import landing page template. All right, so let's quickly get to it. So let's go back to our WordPress dashboard. So to create your page, let's say you want to sell, what do you want to sell now? Let's say you have a physical product. Okay, let me use a physical product for this example, for this particular video, this particular training. So you have a physical product and you want to sell, what do you want to sell now? Let's say you want to sell, okay, let's later I'll figure out the physical product, but for now, just click on, you come to pages, you want to create your page, your first landing page, right? You come to pages, click on add new. Okay, click on add new, then you come here. So let's just say, let's name this, you name your page, you can name it the product you want to sell. Okay, so let me just say physical product test. Okay, so this is like a test page for this training. So you will see the link here, right? You click on publish, click on publish. Okay, click on publish. Then the next thing you want to do is you come to click on edit with Elementor, edit with Elementor. Click on it. So let's give it time to load up. All right, it has loaded up, and this is what's going to look like. Okay, right now you are ready to start building your first landing page. All right, so you just close this stuff here, this navigator stuff, close it. Then the next thing you want to do is you come here, see this layer at the bottom here, see these settings. Okay, just click on it. See this page layout, click on it, select Elementor canvas. It's going to load up again. It's going to load up again to give a different canvas. All right, you see now this place is now totally blank. Okay, totally blank, and we are ready and good to go. All right, so quickly, before we import the page we want to use, the template we want to use, let me quickly show you what you see here. Okay, they are called elements. All right, they are called elements. Okay, they're called elements. Now, if you want to build a page, right, a landing page, the landing page is divided into three major parts. Okay, a landing page is divided into three major parts. We have the first part is the section. Let me just show you. You can see it here. This is a section. So this is it. Click in it. Let me see. So this is a section. You can see here, right? You can see edit section showing. Edit section showing. So that is the first part, the section. Then the second part is what we call an inner section or modules. Inner section or modules. All right. You can see that this is an inner section. All right, an inner section. Let me show you here. You can see edit section. No. What happened? Okay, all right. So we have a section, then we have an inner section in it. And this inner section comprises of two columns. This is the column 1 and this is the column 2. Then we can actually add more columns to it. Okay. We can add more columns to it. If I just come here, right click and add new column. Okay, I've added and made them 3. If I come here, right, I right click on my laptop and I click on add new column. You get it, multiplying, so we can actually have more columns. Then the next thing we have is the first one is the section, the second one is the inner section or the modules. On some builders you see modules, and the third one is the elements. Elements are things that are on the page, like right, the text, the headline, the images, the buttons, the video, everything and everything. Okay, so now this is a headline, so I'll just carry it and put here. Okay, that's an element, right? Let me go back here. See this stuff here. Click on it. Let me add. This is a text editor. If I want to add a text, I'm just showing you like this will be like the major elements you'll be using. Image, all right, video. So the idea is that the section houses the inner sections, all right, and the inner sections houses the elements. That is the simple way to look at it. The section houses the inner section, and the inner section houses what? The elements. Okay, all right. Great. With that being said, the next thing I want to do is let me delete all of this since I've explained that. Okay. There are two ways to build a landing page. All right, two ways to build a page. Number one, you build it from scratch. If you have mastery, if you know what you want to do, if you are very good and you have enough time and you have mastery of all these things, you can build from scratch. All right, you can build from scratch. Or the second way is to build using templates. All right, to build using templates. And so the second way is to build using templates. Okay. So, and that is what I like to use mostly. That's what I use mostly. Although I can build from scratch because I am a pro web designer, you know, on landing page. I can do all these things. I understand Elementor very well and all these stuffs here. So I can build from scratch, but to save time and to make it easy for me, I build using templates. Okay, I have lots of templates that I work with. So let's quickly install our templates. So to install template, you come here, you can see add templates, right? Add template. Click on it. Okay, when you click on it, you'll see my templates here. My templates. Click on it. Click on my templates. Then you come here, see this icon. Here showing import template. All right. Just click on it. Click on select file. So it's going to take me to my system where I have lots of templates that I can select from. Like if I come here now, double click, you'll see these are 4 different templates that I can use. If I come here, double click, you can see these are other templates for different kinds of landing pages and different kinds of products, physical products. Yeah, I have more physical products templates here. All right. Then if I go to my downloads, normally you see lots of other templates here. Okay, see them. All of these things here that you see JSON ending with JSON, they are all templates. They are all templates. So just scroll down, lots of templates. All right. Then I have other templates again. I have other templates again that I might not be able to show you now. That right, other templates again that I might not be able to show you now. So, but let me just install one to show you how to install. Let me install one to show you how to install the template if you want to build. So let me just select any of these. Let me just select this and just click on open. Click on enable and import. All right. Massage booking template. No, I don't want this. Let me look for something e-commerce. Physical product. All right, so let me look for something of physical products. Let me scroll down a bit. I think I have one of my e-commerce stuff here. Let me, not this one. I want something of e-commerce. Let me check this one out. You give it some time to load. Oh, not this. Not this. So this ones are for services. All right, so you click here, click on select file, just import again. Yeah, click select, let me select this, open. All right, we're going to be using this car seat cover page. Insert, apply. So just give it a little bit of time to load. All right, as you can see, it has been, I've installed the template. This is what it looks like. You can see, let it load up again. All right, so it came back, it's showing this stuff again. So let's remove it. You come back to settings. Okay, click on settings, go to page layouts, click on the drop down. Select Elementor canvas. All right, it's gonna show like this again. Okay, it's still loading actually. That's why some of the elements are not displaying well. But basically, this is what the page looked like. This is one of the pages I created for one of my clients. Okay, so all right, so in the next video, we'll start editing. Okay, to shoot, I'll show you how to edit the landing page, how to edit the template to suit your taste or the taste of the product you are trying to create the page for. All right, if it's a shoe, if it's a wristwatch, if it's a skincare product, you know, a whatever physical product. All right. We're going to talk about that in the next video. Okay, how to edit all of these things, change the fonts, change the pictures, change the colors, change the write-ups, change the links, the buttons, everything to suit our taste. Okay, so that's what we're talking about in the next video. Thank you.